Hi, I'm Clara from ALM company. Today I'm here to introduce our lead through. Firstly, let's take a look. This lead through diameter is 16 mm and the lead can be 2 mm, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 16, 21, 25, and 35 mm. The lead nut is anti-backlash nut. ALM lead throughs are with many advantages, such as self-lubrication, smooth remove, long service life, and anti-corrosion, and so on. The lead-through nut and shaft end machine can be customized according to the joints. Above all, our lead-through MOQ is one set. Feel free to contact us for orders.